everybody, this dance is a lot harder than it usually is, so I'm gonna break this chorus down for you. The first move we're going to do is we're gonna make a moon, step front with your right foot, bring your knee up. I have no core strength. You're gonna throw your foot away. Throw, ba, ba, and throw again. Then you're gonna sit, pull it, and roll it. You should feel like a bop it at the end of this song. We're gonna start out by slowing this down with another move that we haven't practiced yet. Let's step to the side here. Step to the center. Roll with the punches. Touch your sexy shoulders. Speed this up. Throw. Hey, punch it down. Your shoulders are so sexy. Make a moon. Moon. Take it up. Throw it down. Sit. Pull. Roll. Speed this up. Hey. Sit. Pull. Roll. Yes. Ain't nobody telling what we gon' do. But when we run through, yeah, yeah. Diamonds on us popping out the sunroof. Red bottoms up on those shoes. Licking off shots like. But when we run through, yeah, yeah. Step. Go. Punch. Down. I love me some overred and bucker. Keep it up. Oh wait, my makeup's not sitting well. I need you to pat out your creases. Moon. Up. Throw. Down. Sit. Pull. Roll. Bless you. You gon' know about it when we come through. Bad bitches coming in twos. Ain't nobody telling what we gon' do. But when we run through. Are you tired yet? Diamonds on us popping out the sunroof. Hey, yes, slay, work. Licking off shots like. But when we run through. Practice last time. I can't freaking breathe. Sit. Pull. Roll. I want you to look so sexy right now. Even if you have a complete lack of oxygen. See it through the lens, everything brand new. Last chance, let's go! Hey! Bad bitches coming in twos. Ain't nobody telling what we gon' do. But when we run through, yeah, yeah. Diamonds on us popping out the sunroof. Red bottoms up on those shoes. Licking off shots like. But when we run through, roll your dice. Throw back. We're in Vegas, baby. Can you roll your dice a little bit lower? Good. I hope you did these moves as big as this song. Click right here to keep on dancing with us, and click right here to watch the official music video. Also, if you click right here, you can join the Booty Army. We do 60-minute sweat sessions every single week, and I'm in a very extended lunge right now, so I need to end this.
Bye. Bye. All right, come on, Brian. What do you want? Stop this. Stop this. Stop this. Stop this. Stop this.